Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make my pineapple jam, okay? And also I want to take some time guys to thank you all my beautiful people for subscribing to my channel. Now we finally made it to 7K guys, 7K. Thank you so much. Thank you, okay? So without you guys, I cannot continue finish that. So please continue to share all my videos to your family and friends, and everybody you know guys, share all my videos, okay? And you know, help me keep my channel on by subscribing, and then support your girl guys, okay? So thank you very much for subscribing. And then for those of you new to my channel, this is a channel that you're gonna get everything, mix, like cooking, everything, okay? And yeah, so that's what we do, cook and then have fun, talk about stuff, okay? So I just want to say thank you to you guys, okay? Thank you. And what I'm going to show you guys, we're going to make some pineapple jam, and it's going to be very easy and fast, okay? So let me show you guys what I have. As you can see, I have my fresh pineapple just cut up, okay? And I have my vanilla extract I'm going to use. This is the Haitian one, guys. It's very good, okay? And I have my sugar. I have like 4 tablespoons of sugar. If I need more, I'm going to get some more. And I have my cinnamon sticks and anise stars. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Okay, and I have my wheat bread, just toast. This is how I like my toast bread, guys, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do, and I have my pot waiting for me, okay? So I'm going to save the pineapple head, guys, okay? So I can clean that. So what I'm going to do now, let's start cooking, guys. I'm going to cut up my pineapple. I like to use this big guy, guys. So it helps me a lot. And then I'll get this small knife. And my hands are clean, okay, in case you guys wonder. And guys, the pineapple is actually good for you. It has vitamin C, and then it helps your immune system, okay? And for the skin, pineapple skin, guys, you can actually let it dry and then make your own tea. Okay, it's very good. Okay, so yeah, I'm just doing that. Okay, you have to clean that a little bit, guys, because you don't want this black spot stay on your pineapple. Okay, let me use this bowl, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna clean that up. Okay, we have to cut up the skin. Yes, guys, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. I know we have a long road to go, guys, but that's okay. We'll make it. Okay? Alright, so how's your weekend going so far, guys? Yeah, it seems like it's going to rain, guys. Florida, it's just like something crazy about Florida. Next thing you know, you wake up and then it's just like dark, going to, you know, get the rain, but I like it. Okay, cut the bottom. Okay, alright, let me just get that off. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut up my pineapple little tiny pieces, and then after that I'm going to let it sit with the sugar and the cinnamon for like 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, we're going to cook our jam, okay? Okay. Alright, guys, I'm going to finish that because I have to get all the black spot off my pineapple. Okay? You see that? You have to do that, guys. I know, you probably wonder what I'm doing with that big knife. I feel so comfortable with my knife, guys. Okay, so this one is good. You see that? Oh my goodness. almost dropped my pineapple. I don't get dirty. My clothes is dirty. Okay, so I'm going to finish that up, guys. Okay, and then when we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, you see that? There's no more spot. You see? So that's what I was looking for, guys. Okay, so what I'm not going to do, guys, I'm not going to use the hardcore. You see that? So I have to take that off. Okay, and then I'll just okay, we're just going to cut them up little tiny pieces, guys. I mean, it's up to you, you can grate them up, okay, but I'm not going to do that because I need some little tiny piece in my pineapple jam. Okay, like that. And then, guys, don't forget not to use make sure you don't use any water, because I'm not going to add any water. You're gonna get some water from the pineapple when you, that's why I'm going to let it sit for 2 hours so I can get all my water I need. Because once you need you use the sugar, that's how you're going to get your water, guys. Okay, so don't use any water. Okay, I'm going to cut this guy. You see, that's why I like to use my big knife. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Guys, don't do what I'm doing, okay? Because you don't hold your pineapple in your hand, because you can get cut. I know. That's just crazy. Okay, you see that? Don't do that. Okay, and I have to be careful, guys, because this is a sharp knife I'm using, guys. It's very sharp. Okay, you see that? This is the hardcore I was talking about. It's very hard. I mean, some people use it. I've seen some people use them, but I'm not going to use that. It's up to you. If you want to use it, go for it. But I don't use them stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm going to finish up with my pineapple, because I'm not going to let them, you know, it's just too big. Little tiny pieces like that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I'm done with the pineapple. Look at that. You see all the water I was telling you guys? Okay, this is why you don't need to add any water. Okay, you see that? I didn't add any water. Okay, they all come from the pineapple. You see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, all I have to do now is just add my sugar. Guys, that pineapple is so sweet. I don't think I need to use more than what I have now. Okay, just stir it up, and then I'm going to add all my cinnamon at one time. Okay, and I'm going to let it sit in that bowl, guys, for 2 hours, and then when we come back, guys, we should be ready to go. Okay, and then my vanilla extract, guys, I'm going to save it, like when it start cooking, that's when I'm going to add it. Okay, so let me just leave it there. The pineapple is so sweet, guys. Oh, it is so good, and I can smell. Let me see. Oh yes, the cinnamon sticks and everything else. You know what? I'm going to add a little lime zest, guys. Yes, that's what I'm going to do for flavor. Okay, okay, guys, you see that? You see, no need for water. Okay, so when I'm going to just let it stay for 2 hours, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our pineapple. You see that, guys? You see that? Okay, so I didn't cut them up big pieces, guys. You see, little tiny pieces like that. Okay, and now what I'm going to do next, I have my green lime. Okay, this one is very good. Look at that, very green. Okay, grate it out. All I'm looking for is just the zest. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon for the beginning, guys, and then okay, at the end we'll add another one. Okay, just give it a stir. Smells so good, guys. Oh, smells so yeah, guys. I wish you guys were here to smell that. Oh, it tastes so good. And then my vanilla, this one is so good, guys. Oh, the Haitian one, yes, smells so good. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have my my pan waiting, just waiting for me, and then it's already warming up. Okay, so I'm going to add my pineapple. Okay, okay, so let me put that up. So what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm just going to let it sit and then do its thing. Okay, we have nothing else to do in that. Okay, just let it cook, and then with all that water, I have to let it simmer down. Okay, all the way through. Okay, so let me see if I need anything, guys. I'm sure I don't need. Tastes so good. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let it cook, and then when we come back, guys, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our pineapple jam, guys. Okay, let me see. Okay, you see that? Oh, look at that, guys. You see? You see that? Looks very nice. We're almost there, guys. Oh, but it smells so good in the kitchen, guys. The cinnamon and the vanilla extract, and then the lime zest. It smells so good. You see, now it's almost there, guys. I want to see a little stickiness from the water. You see that? Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to just let it stay, okay, for like 30 more minutes. Should be ready. Okay, and when we come back, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check again to see where we at. Okay, look at that, guys. Oh yes, now it's ready. Okay, you see that? It's ready now, guys. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to let just those a few of my anise star. Okay, I took most of them out, but I just left a few. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, guys, I have my bread. I'm going to just grab 1 plate, and then when we come back, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let me show you guys everything. Okay, there it is. Everything is already done. Okay, so what I did, guys, I used this bowl, a small bowl, guys, because I want everything to cool off. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to transfer it in my drawer. Okay, and so here's my toast. Okay, you see that? And what I have to do next, as you can see, I started with a little bit of pineapple to garnish my jam. Okay. Okay, that's it. You see that there? Okay, very nice. Okay, so now it's time for me to taste, guys. Okay, so if you guys have any comments, guys, and don't forget to just go ahead and then leave me any comment that you have. Okay, and one more thing, guys, don't forget to subscribe, as I mentioned before. Okay, share all my videos to your family and friends, anybody that you know. And then thank you very much for your support, guys. Thank you. Okay, and remember to give this a try. It's very good. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.